Welcome, fellow stargazers, to another journey into the unknown here on Mysterious Sky. Tonight, we leave the familiar shores of the Milky Way to embark on a voyage across the cosmic ocean. Look up at the night sky, far beyond the planets of our solar system. If the night is dark enough, you might spot a faint, glowing smudge in the constellation of Andromeda. It looks like a tiny cloud of starlight hovering in the freezing void. But do not let its modest appearance fool you. That faint glow is not a single star, nor a simple cloud of gas. You are looking at an entire universe of its own. You are looking at the magnificent Andromeda Galaxy. Imagine a sprawling island of light, a majestic spiral spinning slowly in the endless dark. Andromeda is our closest galactic neighbor, but the word close is entirely relative in space. It sits a staggering 2.5 million light-years away. To truly grasp that immense distance, you must understand that the light hitting your eyes tonight began its journey 2.5 million years ago. Before modern humans even walked the Earth, those photons of light left the blazing hearts of Andromeda's stars and hurled across the freezing expanse of intergalactic space, just arriving here tonight. When you gaze at Andromeda, you are literally looking back into the deep past. And what a breathtaking sight it is. If our Milky Way is a bustling metropolis of stars, Andromeda is an undisputed empire. It spans over 200,000 light-years across. Within its sprawling spiral arms, bound together by the relentless grip of gravity, reside 1 trillion individual stars, 1 trillion burning suns. Think about the countless worlds that must orbit those stars. Think about the majestic gas giants and rocky planets teeming with oceans. Are their eyes looking back at us from across that unimaginable gulf, wondering about the faint smudge of the Milky Way in their night sky? But the story of Andromeda and the Milky Way is not merely a tale of two distant neighbors coexisting in the dark. It is a story of inescapable destiny. Despite the unimaginable expanse separating us, our two galaxies are locked in a relentless gravitational dance. Andromeda is hurtling toward us at an incredible speed of 110 kilometers every single second. Right now, it is just a faint smudge, but fast forward a few billion years, and it will completely dominate our night sky. It will grow larger and brighter with each passing epoch, a massive spiral stretching across the heavens. Roughly 4.5 billion years from now, the inevitable will happen. The two great empires will collide. It sounds like a violent cataclysm, a fiery apocalypse of epic proportions. But the reality is far more poetic. Space is incredibly empty. The distance between individual stars is so profoundly vast that when our galaxies finally merge, it is highly unlikely that any two stars will actually crash into each other. Instead, it will be a slow, graceful ballet of gravity playing out over eons. The spiral arms will distort and warp, tearing streams of stars into the void. Enormous clouds of gas and dust will smash together, igniting waves of intense new star formation, setting the sky ablaze with the brilliant blue light of newborn suns. Over billions of years, the two distinct spirals will settle down, merging into a single massive elliptical galaxy. A brand new home astronomers have named Milkomeda. This cosmic collision is not an ending, but a spectacular rebirth. The fate of our Milky Way and the mighty Andromeda Galaxy are forever intertwined in a grand story written by gravity itself. As we stand on our tiny blue world and look out at that distant island of light, we are reminded of our fleeting place in a dynamic, ever-changing universe. The cosmos is not a static painting, but a living, breathing machine. moving on a scale of time and space that completely defies human comprehension. Thank you for joining us on this voyage across the dark. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. Until next time, this is Mysterious Sky, signing off.